before I go into my foundation, I'm going to moisturize today with the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Moisturizer. For foundation today, I'm going in with the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal. And I do like this, but it's not a good foundation if you want to keep your makeup on for like 8+ hours, because if you have a little bit of oily skin, it is going to rub off a little bit on your T-zone area if you do get oily there. Otherwise, if you have dry skin, this is really good for you. For concealer, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And after that, I'm going to go in and set all my face with the Airspun. And I'm going to bake just a little bit under my eyes and my T-zone as well. So while the rest of my face is baking, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer. This is, who is it by? Oh, okay, so it's by the Physicians Formula. And I heard a lot of people using this, so I decided to try it out. And it's pretty buttery. I do like it, but I don't think it's my favorite bronzer. It's definitely a really buildable bronzer, so you can start off like lighter, and if you do want a darker look, you can definitely build off of that and go in with more layers. So now that I bronzed up my face, I'm going to wipe away the bake. Now we're going to contour my nose next. So I'm going to take the same Butter Bronzer, and this is a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to go in and contour my nose out a little bit. For blush, I'm going in with NARS, and this is the color Orgasm. I literally decided to hop on the Orgasm train because this color's been around for so long, and I have a lot of NARS blushes, but I never have tried this one before, so we're gonna go ahead and use it. With this is by Luna. It's a highlighter. The color is Electra, and it's this pretty like pinky champagne color, but I'm gonna go in and pop that just a little bit on my cheeks. For highlight, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm going to pop this color right on the top of my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take my finger and do this and put it right on the bridge of my nose, because I really like a strong nose highlight, and I just feel like you get more color using your finger. And also on my cupid's bow. And I'm going back in with my brush and putting it on my chin and a little bit on my forehead as well. And I'm also going to brush a little bit just right here on my brow bone. Okay, so now that my face makeup is done, we're going to go into our eyes. The eyeshadow palette that I picked today that I'm going to use is this one. This is what it looks like. I haven't really used it much at all, actually. It's the, I don't even know how you say it, Vizart. professional makeup in Paris. I don't really know how you say it, but this is basically what it looks like, and I got this from Sephora, and the colors are literally like amazing. This is the colors, and I just think they're so pretty. They're soft and natural, and the shimmers aren't too shimmery. It's like the perfect like amount. Oh, I'll do this one too. They're just so pretty. Those are the shimmery shades. And then the matte ones, they're so pigmented. So first shade I'm going to use is this neutral one right here. There's no color name for it, so it's just the lighter brown. I'm going to be using my Anastasia A10 brush. I'm also going to drag that shadow a little bit into my bronzer just so there's no harsh lines and everything just kind of blends together. I'm just really going to focus that color into my crease now. Next I'm going in with my Morphe E22 brush, and this brush is a little bit more dense so I can focus the color a little bit more. I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade right here and just put that a little bit on my outer, what is it called, my outer lid. And then I'm going back in with that same Anastasia brush. I'm just going to try and blend out the edges a little bit. It doesn't really need it that much, but I don't really want any harsh edges. I want this to be as soft as I can get it. I don't want to focus the blending on the inner lid too much because I don't want to get rid of that color as well. I want to keep that darkness, but just try and blend out the edges a little bit. Now that both eyes are done with adding that darker color, I'm going in with this color. I'm going to apply that color on my lid. Back in though and just blend those edges a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe E22 brush. I'm not putting any extra product on it, and I'm just gonna tap it together a little bit in the middle. The next eye, and then we'll be back with applying lashes. So I did my other eye and I also applied my lashes, and these lashes are drugstore. They're by the brand Kiss. I don't really know exactly what the name is. I forget. I'll have it listed below. My lashes are on, and we're going to finish the eyeshadow by doing the lower lash. And I'm going to go in with first that lighter brown, and I'm going to build it again with this darker brown. The brush I'm using for this is the Morphe M321, and it's like the perfect size to get on my lash line. I'm going to kind of connect a little bit of the shadow that was up here. I'm just going to kind of connect them together. Now that I've done that, I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lashes. Just highlighted my inner corner and my brow bone with the same Soft and Gentle by MAC highlighter that I use all over my face. Now we're going to go in with my lips. I don't know if I should do a nude or a red because I never ever do a color like red. I always do nude. So I think for this, I'm going to try red, and I really hope I don't regret it because I'm not a huge fan of red on my face, but we'll see. For the red lipsticks today, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics. This is the color Marriage Okay, and I really do like Kylie Cosmetics lip products. Some people think they're over drying, but I honestly don't think they are. If you apply one layer like how Kylie said you're supposed to use them, I think they work out really well. I mean, all like liquid matte lipsticks are kind of over drying, but this one isn't one that makes my lips feel like crusty throughout the day. Teeth. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, this is so red. Now that I applied the red lipstick, I'm just going to set my face with the Rescue Skincare. It's a facial spray. It's like the rose water almost. I'm going to spray this all over my face. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with more videos.